roads are like right now in Moncton, New Brunswick. It's 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. in the morning. It's starting to get hard to see where the curbs are, but I wouldn't quite call it zero visibility, but pretty close. She's getting pretty bad out now. Just giving you guys a quick little look. If you can, try to stay off the roads, guys. Doing a little update on the weather. Moncton, New Brunswick. It's 10:15 a.m. right now. Only a few inches have dropped, maybe 2 or 3 inches, but the visibility is pretty bad in certain spots. Can't see any more than 150 feet in front of you. Some spots it's can't see 20 feet in front of you. Depends where you are. I'm on Wheeler Boulevard right now. The roads are still pretty clear, but the visibility is very poor. Just a little update here. Still on Wheeler Boulevard. Some spots the road is bare. Other spots, like right here, it's pretty snow covered. Still on Wheeler, the wind's starting to pick up now. Roads are almost snow covered. I've noticed the snow is quite packy too because of the wind. Lots of drifting. We've only got an inch, maybe inch and a half to 2 or 3 inches maybe. And as you can see now, okay, the visibility here is very poor. But the snow will pull you because it's real hard packed because of the wind. Just coming into Riverview now. I have seen some large drifts already, so I can only imagine what it's going to be like later, but stay safe on the roads. Feel free to comment. Subscribe for more weather updates. Thanks, guys. Coming onto the causeway now. Should be where the road usually is the worst visibility across the causeway. Very minimal traffic on the road. The plows, I haven't seen any plows out yet. Schools are canceled. The buses are all shut down. The malls even closed. Pretty much everything's closed. So this is the visibility across the causeway. As you can see, the road is fairly bare, but visibility is pretty poor. I have seen worse, but this is the visibility right now, guys.